Good morning. Let's see what my numbers are this morning. Okay, so that leaves my GKI 3.79. That's moderate. Okay, so right in line with no extra spend November, I made myself cold brew coffee this last night with Dollar Tree coffee and water. No more Starbucks. Coffee. Cheers. Good morning. It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning. Good morning. See you guys in a little bit. Breakfast was 1/2 cup of this plain low-fat yogurt with 1/3 cup of the solo granola. No extra sweetener was added this morning.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Life Adventures and Keto. It is lunchtime. What is in my lunchbox? First of all, this is my 3rd cup of water, so that's 8, 16, 24 ounces of water out of my little red truck cup from Lori Fluffy No-Mo. That is really coming in handy on this challenge, Lori. Okay, so I also brought me an adult bento box or Lunchable or whatever you call it, right? So get that. I brought a cold brew coffee that I made myself. It's got tons of, I didn't double strain it this morning before I left to go to work, so it's going to be a little this time. And I also brought a 1.5 cups of homemade chicken broth for today. It's a little cool still. I forgot to microwave it before I left my customer's house, but that is going to be lunch here at the Arboretum in Murray, Kentucky. So let me show you what I have in my lunchbox. First of all, don't you love my little lunchbox my customer gave me? Okay, I have 1 container of olive oil, 1 Simple Truth mashed avocado, 1 cup of raw broccoli, and 1 cup of mixed greens. That's going to be lunch for today. Okay, here we go. Like I said, it's the Arboretum, and of course everything has quit growing by now, but you can see what their facility is about anyway. Oh, don't tell nobody, but I left home this morning without a mask to put on. So anyway, here we go. Let's walk. if I see anybody, I'll just take off across the grass. It's a great spot for just about anybody. Of course, they also don't have the fountain and all that stuff set up. They have a little lake down here. Ooh, they do have the fountain. The fountain is going. All the benches and tables have an in memory of on them, so somebody has sponsored that seat or that table in lieu of a loved one's name being put on it. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see all the way over there yet or not, but anyway. Get my vitamin D in. Get a little bit of walking in. There's an arbor, so when something is growing, it's really pretty under here. They have a kids' playground at the very bottom here on the other side. Beautiful water feature. Anyway, as soon as those people are back up here, I will walk down and around for you guys, because I did not bring a mask, like I said. Okay, so maybe I will not. Maybe I'll just go back to the car. Anyway, there's a short little walk for you guys. And the bushes and plants of all, you know, they're about done for this time of year, but still there's some people. Anyway, that is my lunch walk for you guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I really did enjoy it. It's a short little walk. I didn't expect to eat my lunch here. I usually eat the lunch in the car, but this afternoon has fell by the wayside. So I'm gonna go to my house and probably clean my vehicle. It's gross. So I'll probably do the vehicle myself, since it's no spend November, or no extra spend. Of course, the car being pretty is not an expenditure that is needed. I would love it, but it's not needed, so I'm gonna do it myself. So let's see what I can get into at the house.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
So I got all kind of walking in. I did air fry 2 pieces of steak. It come out to 6 ounces of steak. I had 4 chaffles, 3 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup, and 1 ounce of cheese for dinner. So you guys, I hope you had a great day as well. I will see you again tomorrow. Keto on and keto strong. Burnt is my jam. I know some people don't like that, but I really enjoy burnt stuff. Talk to you guys next time.